Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur and in this series we'll solve SQL 50 questions from LeetCode, and today we are going to solve 32nd question. So let's check. This is actually a very easy question, but in this question we'll see a very important concept of SQL, of how to use if statement in SQL and its format. So let's check the question. The question is triangle judgment. So in this I have three columns, x, y and z, and it's an int type. So all these are primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains length of 3 line segments. So this is nothing but 3 line segments of a triangle. Okay, so report for every 3 line segments whether they can form a triangle. Okay, so the condition, first we need to know the condition of when a triangle is formed. So the condition is if the length of two of the sides is greater than the third one, then it forms a triangle. Okay, so you can see in this given example, so if we add x and y, that becomes 30 and which is greater than 15. So this is an yes, it can form a triangle. Similarly, 20 plus 15 is greater than 10, 10 plus 15 is greater than 20. Okay, but in this first example, if we see 13 plus 15 is not greater than 30, the addition is 28. So here it cannot form a triangle. So this is the condition which needs to be satisfied to form a triangle. Okay, so first I'll write how we write if statement in SQL. So the format is if, and we start the brackets, whatever the condition is. So in our case it's x plus y greater than z. Okay, y greater than z and x plus z greater than y. Okay, let's say for these two conditions. So when these two conditions are true, so the value will be returned yes, because that is what we want in our output, yes. Okay, or else a no. Okay, so this is how we write an if statement. So first if, open the brackets, the condition which we want to satisfy, and if it is satisfied, then what should be the output in the next after the comma, and if it is not satisfied, what it should return. It should return no in our case. So let's start writing this query. So we'll write select. In this we are selecting everything and adding another column as well named as triangle. Okay, so select star. To select everything, we'll do a star. Star selects everything, comma, the extra column which is triangle. Okay, so the condition, we'll write the condition here itself. If brackets, if x plus y is greater than z and x plus z greater than y and y plus z greater than x. If all of these three conditions are satisfied, we want it to return the value yes. If it is not satisfied, we will say no. And this is our condition, and this will be called as triangle from nothing but triangle. The table name is triangle over here, right? Triangle. So we'll go semicolon. Let's try to run our query. Accepted. Let's try to submit it. That's accepted. Great. So yes guys, this was the 32nd question. So you see this is the output. We have selected everything over here and we have added another column named as triangle, and we'll satisfy if it satisfies the condition yes, if it doesn't, no. So the key takeaway from this particular question is nothing but just this small line. which is how to write if statements, because here we are not extracting something from the table, right? We want a condition to satisfy, and then we want that to be formed in a new column. So that is why we will use if over here. So this was the 32nd question from SQL 50. I hope you are liking these solutions. If you have any doubts, do ask in comments, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a nice day.